Sunday evening we've spent all day filling up the van, getting ready and linoing out part of the shower. Absolutely loaded up, bulging at the seams. Literally we feel like we're on a tilt because all the weight's on that side, the awning, water tanks, everything's that side, so we're really on a lean. We're on the A1 at the minute. We left a lot later than we wanted to. Just gone 8. Problem was we wanted to find somewhere on the way down to the south coast, somewhere west of London or something like that. Park up for the night so there's less driving tomorrow. So we wanted to go a bit earlier so that we were finding these spots that we've never been to in the light, but I think we might end up having to find it in the dark. It's always a bit well, I say always a bit sketchy, I've never done it before. It was getting dark the other day when we went. Luckily it was a good spot, so we stayed there. Any later than that it'd have been real dark. We might just come a little bit closer to home, somewhere like near Milton Keynes, Northampton sort of area. And then we're off down to the south coast in the morning and make our way down the Jurassic coast towards Devon and Cornwall. Whether we get too far into Devon and or Cornwall, we might not even make it to Cornwall, but who knows. We're literally winging it and we're excited. Good morning. We've spent the night here, just woke up, it's about 9 in the morning, 9:30. We're going to go for a little walk and have a cup of tea and then get on the way down to the south coast. I'm just going to show you where our van's parked. There she is. Nice little car park. We were the only ones here last night. We're leaving the first spot, which is Woburn Sands Mountain Bike Park. It was alright for a night, and we're off to Durdledore. What do you think? Somewhere on the south coast. We're going to go find somewhere. There's a couple of spots we've got to look at, see what we can find. We need to stop off at a petrol station, pump up the tyres, because on the left side they're quite flat. I think that's just because of the weight distribution. Also get some diesel in it, and we're off. Anything to say?
Going to Durdledore.
We've made it, we parked up, and we're in West Lulworth. And it's alright, although there is, in front of the church is lovely, but there's a little cemetery in front, which is a little sketchy, but we'll be fine. I've got a baseball bat if there's any zombies come up. So we're going to have a little walk to the beach, have a look at Lulworth Cove and Durdledore. Durdledore.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner.
Up that way is about a mile towards Durdledore.
Oh, he died.
Megan's nearly died. She's overestimated how fit she was before going to walk this very steep coastal path. You're used to Peterborough. Peterborough's flat as anything, so like, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's a gradient.
So we're going to have a little play around in that forest up there, looking out to sea for a bit, and then we're going to go back, get ready and have a pub dinner. Yeah, so we're going to go over there, play around in the forest a bit, and then go towards Durdledore and park up. There's a little visitor centre bit, camping place, car park. We're going to go up there, park there, and just walk around there in the morning before going to our next...
There's even old people that are managing to get up and down.
Yeah, well, you're shit. I could do it easy. I could run there and back. So we're going to go tomorrow morning. We're just going to stop off on the way to our next spot.
I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. changed from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me busy. Girls used to diss me. Now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honey's play me close like butter play toast.
Both of me. Right. Megan, can you tell us what's happening?
We're going to Durdledore for breakfast.
Going to Durdledore. Woke up, we've packed away, brushed our teeth, that's about it. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and then head over to Durdledore, have our breakfast. They got toilet, look at that. So yeah, over to Dorset, have our breakfast, have a cup of tea or something, and we're gonna have a quick walk around there, and then we're gonna move on. Just down the road, there's a little spot that Megan's found. We're gonna try that out. Hopefully we can get a shower there. We've got the shower in the thing, hopefully we can have a little bit of a wash. We've just woke up to something rather worrying. We've got a leak coming from under the van. It smells pretty diesely, it looks pretty oily, so I haven't got a clue. Fuck me, look at this. Coming from the van, it's dripping every now and then. I got under there this morning, and it smells like diesel, but this one looks like oil. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. I'm a bit worried, really. We didn't get awoken by any zombies last night, did we, Megan? Made it to Durdledore. It's literally a 30-second drive, isn't it? If that, from where we stopped. About an hour walk from where the cove was.
I'm gonna have to change my shorts, ain't I?
Quick pit stop. Got our tea and our cereal, which is our cheap breakfasts after the steak dinner like Megan had last night. Finished our tea and cereal, and I'm going to walk down to Durdledore.
Wake up in the
Here we are, Durdledore. Behind us somewhere.
There's a lot of stairs.
A lot of steps.
I see no shit. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's like worth living, should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse, I'm black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Wake up in the cops give a damn about a Negro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Get it back to the kids who the hell cares. One less hungry mouth on the welfare.
We just walked down to Durdledore Cove, and it was really, really steep. I nearly died. I think Jordan's alright.
I'm alright, a bit hot though. Shouldn't have wore a black long sleeve.
There was a little slope, and we thought we'd get to the bottom of that, there would be the beach, and we'd just come back a bit. Wasn't. It was all the way down, then you have to go down some really dodgy steps, and then some dodgy cliffs to get to one side of the cove. Yeah, and then come all the way back up. The stairs are like half the size of me coming up.
We're going to move on to the next spot, hopefully somewhere where we can have a shower. In not quite 48 hours yet, but it's getting on, so we definitely need to shower.
It was really nice views as well, but I don't think we'd ever do it again.
Found the spot, it looks absolutely amazing. Megan's plugged it. Park for Night plugged it. It says no overnight parking. There's a lot of campers here. We're going to play it by ear, but look at this spot. we're back in the spot. We had a mooch around all over the shop. We tried going to a Tesco so that we could get food and a pot and not have to like stop twice. They didn't have the right pots that we needed because we forgot our pots and pans. So we ended up going to a Home Bargains anyway. We spent so long doing it. We're back at that spot, but we've just been informed by another bloke said that it's no overnight camping and the National Trust man's been round telling everyone. But we're going to stay here because we're starving. We're going to have some food and have a shower, and then we're going to go try and find somewhere else. Just had the first shower in the van. Feeling very refreshed. How was it?
Clean, yeah.
We're clean. We've gone 48 hours without a shower. We was feeling a little bit iffy. We were itching for it. We've only got a little pump shower. We mostly filled with cold water and then tipped a little bit of kettle in. It was brilliant. Just rinsed ourselves, lathered up, and then rinsed it off. And it was fine.
Yeah.
We're still at the spot overlooking Portland and Weymouth, and we think we might travel over to Portland
Because we're shaking.
because we're shook. There's a man that's already told us that we're not allowed to park here, but there is a couple more campers now. A couple more just turned up next door, another T4 or T25
Go to
VW.
Go talk to him, Jordan.
Yeah, so we're still umming and ahhing as to whether to bottle this spot because it's lovely, or just go to Portland a night early. But look at this spot. Mine a dirty windscreen.
This is our view at the minute.
7 ferries. Weymouth. Portland.
Rolling hills.
Rolling hills that way.
The ocean.
The ocean. Fantastic.